Hey friends and family on YouTube, welcome back to another video. So I have a really short video this time, and the topic is about why you may be struggling to manifest what you want, right? There are two key components that I want to focus on here. First and foremost, there may be many reasons, or a couple of different reasons why you're struggling. But I want to focus for the sake of this video on two of the most common topics, okay? And the first one is attention. Now that seems very simple, right? But when you really think about attention, where is your attention going? Attention, okay? And what do I mean by attention? It's so complicated to the person that is not aware. Because if you're not aware, you just live your life on autopilot. You live your life on autopilot and you don't really understand what you're doing, what you're thinking, what you're feeling, what you're talking. You're not really aware of that because your conscious level of awareness is not over here. It's possibly down here, right? And that's not a bad thing. You develop conscious awareness through study and through personal growth. But what I want you to focus on here is, where is your attention going here? Where is your attention going? Think about that. A lot of people want to manifest, but they're only thinking about their goal or desire at least 10% of the day, just 10% of the day. Now, I'm not saying you can't manifest with that, right? But what I am saying is that if you focus more on it, it's gonna take you a lot less time to manifest it. It's gonna come a lot faster. So one common mistake that a lot of people make, and I was once guilty of this as well, is, what am I focusing on? What am I thinking about? Right? A lot of people want to watch Netflix. They want to watch movies. They want to watch their sports games. I was one of those people, right? And they want to go and hang out with friends, and they want to hang out with family, and they want to do this and that and go here and go there and spend the weekend somewhere and travel and do this and that and that. And all that's fine, right? It's okay, but how much time are you spending giving it to those things? And how much time are you spending on your actual goal, right? Because if you really think about it, in the law of attraction, wherever our attention goes, energy flows. Wherever our attention goes, energy flows. So if our attention is focused on this and that and that and that and that, and only a little bit, 5% or 10% to your goal, forget about it. It's gonna take you a lot longer, if at all, right? So what can you do here? Number one, you want to be more aware of what you're doing. And then number two is you want to be consciously make a decision. I'm going to think about my goal. I'm going to spend more time with my goal. And what I mean by that is right here. Spend time with your goal right here. Because oftentimes a lot of us have kids, a lot of us go to school, go to work, have two jobs, and have a lot of other obligations. So you can't really give 100% of your day to your goal. But what you can do is you can be spending time with your goal here. And when you're spending time with your goal here, you're gonna drastically increase the gestation period of the manifestation process. Like my mentor Bob Proctor used to say, everything is created twice, okay? First in the mind, and then in physical reality. And if you can grasp that concept, that everything is created twice, you create it here first. You have to go here first. You have to live in here first. You have to hold it in your hand here first. You have to live like you're already in the end destination. You have to live like you're already there. It's a done deal, right? It's absolutely a done deal. It's a done deal, and that's how you have to live. You have to live with the attention that you're giving. Because again, wherever my attention goes, energy flows. And if I'm giving attention to all the wrong things and not enough to my goal, forget about it. Number two, what I also wanted to talk to you guys about was the thoughts you think and the things you say, right? Because if you're thinking about the wrong things, you want your goal, but your self-talk is not in harmony with what it is that you want, it's going to be very difficult for you to get it. Because you want one thing on the conscious mind, and on the subconscious mind, you're telling yourself, I can't do it. You're not good enough. Forget it, all these other difficult things, etc., right? And it's very difficult if you don't correct your self-talk. Or what are you actually talking about? Are you actually going and talking about, are you gossiping about other people? Are you focusing on this person's life? Are you thinking about that person's life? It's just not gonna happen. You're focusing on other people's lives, but you're not focusing on your own life. And if you want to manifest, you have to focus on your goal. You have to focus on you, on your own life. And stop trying to worry about what everyone else is doing. Stop worrying about who's sick. Stop worrying about, you know, who has what, or who got a promotion, or who's dating who, or don't worry about that. That's none of your business. What is your business is your goal. And if we're gonna manifest this, we have to give exclusive and direct attention to our goal. So you want to correct what you're thinking, and that's going to come through constant spaced awareness. You're going to develop that awareness, you know. Possibly you don't have that awareness right now, but start becoming aware. Start noticing, what am I thinking? What am I talking? Who are the people that I'm associating with? What are they talking about? You know, constantly check yourself and become more aware of these things, because these things ultimately will dictate and affect your goal. And if you're not giving attention, and if you're focusing on all the wrong things, your goal is in jeopardy and it's in danger. So be sure to correct that, because it's very, very important. My wish for you guys is that you guys manifest everything that you desire, everything that you want, because you should want it. You know, you should want it and you deserve to have it. But you're never gonna have it. You're focusing on the wrong things. So really check yourself, you know, what am I focusing on? Where's my attention going? And if it's not where it needs to be, fix it, fix it, fix it. If you don't fix it, it's gonna take you a lot longer, and it's gonna be a very difficult process. You know, you're only making it difficult on yourself. You know, so actually spend time with your goal, and you will see how the results will pick up, right? So I hope you guys have a phenomenal weekend, a phenomenal week, depending on wherever you might be at right now. And I wish you guys a successful and abundant weekend. So until the next video.